Hello everybody, this is the Raging Cajun and Tinker from Acadiana. Now you know you're a Cajun if you can stand on the levee and look out and see a rice field and know exactly how much gravy it takes to cover it. You might be at a Cajun zoo when you look at the animals and you see signs under their cages and the recipe on how to cook it. You might be a Cajun if you know the 4 seasons: garlic, bell peppers, celery, and onions. Let's talk about tinkerers. You might be a tinkerer if you plugged yourself in the wall before you could crawl. You might be a tinkerer if you've been around a while. You found out what a flyback transformer is the hard way. You might be a tinkerer if you built a circuit that caught on fire. And you are a tinkerer if you built a circuit that caught on fire on purpose. Now, let's talk about a few a little more serious things. I believe AMSAT is at an inflection point, and here's where you can make a difference. There's an election for board members coming up, and I have a recommendation for you on who to vote for. First of all, you have lots of choices, and all the choices are good, and some of the guys have been really contributing that are on the board. But I believe there's one additional guy we want to put on the board, and my recommendation is Brian Colfus. Now Brian is a younger guy, and here's the reasons why I recommend Brian. First of all, he's young. You know, he learned to shave just a few years ago, unlike most of us who learned to shave half a century ago. Brian is a graduate from Cal Poly in electrical engineering, and Cal Poly is a school that has a philosophy of learn by doing. And while in school, Brian operated several satellites. So he is a tinkerer and a designer. Now, if you believe, as I do, that AMSAT survival is up to, if AMSAT is to survive, I think we need to get satellites in high Earth orbit. And my true belief is the way we're going to do that in the present environment is we have to partner with the university system to let them design the propulsion system and us the electronics. And Brian is the bridge between the university and AMSATs. So if you think our path to HEO is via the universities and important, please vote for Brian. So if you like this video, comment on it and pass it on. So 73s, see you later.